So every day for the last month, here's what we've been up against. You can see the rain over there. There's a rainbow trying to squeeze through. But I've got, that's all rain, folks. They call this isolated thunderstorms. I don't know, I'm going to get soaked here in a minute. And the wind's picking up really fast. I'm trying to show some lightning, but it's not lightning. It was just a second ago. Well, I'm having to battle this stuff every single day. I'm going to get down now. So every single day we've been dealing with this. The biggest problem with these storms out here is they're isolated storms. So it's just a little pocket that just rolls over the earth or just rolls over the land. Sometimes you're going to get hit, sometimes you don't. So it's been interesting because you'll see it coming right at you, and then at the last minute it veers away from you or something. So you got to plan every evening basically from 3 o'clock on to get some rain. It's called the Arizona monsoons. We love it up here because I should get about 10 inches of rain every single year. But sometimes you may get none. Other times you may get like an inch or two and just like within the hour. So I got some friends who live in Payson. Recent storm rolled through there. They got like an inch and a half in like 45 minutes. Major flooding. Flooding they haven't seen in over 25 years. So that's been holding me up a lot with this build here. I've been having to fight the weather because I got protected from the rain and yet put the roof on at the same time, and yet some people that I need help with, because you know some of it you can't do by yourself. You need someone to hold up just the other end. And so I've had a lot of great help, but it's been troublesome. It's taken a whole lot longer than I was expecting, just for those two reasons. One, limited time other people have, as well as myself. I've been working 60-hour weeks, as well as two, battling the rains. So, but just to show you what I've been up against, I got isolated rains. It's raining pretty good right now, so we'll see what we got later. But I'm dry right now. This roof, it's holding up. My skylight, nice and dry. Woo, life is good here on the homestead. See you, bye, have fun.